Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be explaining you about the WBJEE e-Counselling 2025 in very simple words so that you don't get confused. First, let's talk about the first round seat allotment result. So the result will be declared tomorrow, which is 3rd of September 2025, and after that you will have to log in and check which college or course you have gotten into, and to confirm your seat you will have to pay a refundable seat acceptance fee of rupees 5,000 through net banking, debit card or UPI. After paying, download your allotment letter. Then you must go to the allotted college with your allotment letter and all documents for physical verification. If you fail to report for verification, then your allotted seat will be cancelled and you will be out of the counseling, which is called exit. Now about document verification, you have to carry all the original documents and also the self-attested copy, and these are the main documents which you will have to bring: class 10 and 12 admit card and birth certificate. Then you will have to bring class 10 and 12 mark sheet, and domicile certificates if you are a student of West Bengal, then category certificate for SC, ST, OBC or EWS, then PWD and TFW certificate if applicable. All documents must be valid and correct, otherwise you can face problem. And what are the problems that you can face after document verification if it fails to match the documents that you have provided? So let me tell you in points so that you don't make the mistake. So first, if your documents don't match, then your seat may be cancelled. Second, if you got your first choice, then you will have to freeze your seat by completing the admission process. Third, if you got your second or later choice, you can either take that seat or choose yes upgradation for the next round. Fourth, if you don't complete your admission process, your seat will be cancelled and you will be out of the counseling process. So the next is the second round seat allotment result, which will be declared on 9th of September. So these are the students that can appear and will be considered to appear in the next round. First is the students, those who didn't get seat in round 1. Second are the students who got and paid the fee and document verification in round 1 but opted for yes upgradation. And third one is the students, those whose seats got cancelled due to technical or document failure. And once upgraded, your earlier seat will be cancelled and you cannot go back to your old seat. I'm talking about the refund and withdrawal rules. If you withdraw during the seat acceptance period in round 2, you will get the full refund of rupees 5,000. Refunds are given through online banking within 60 to 90 days. But remember, if you withdraw, you won't be able to participate in the future rounds. These are all, and at last I would like to provide you few key points to remember. First is always pay your seat acceptance fee on time. Second is always report to your allotted college with documents, otherwise you will be out. And third is once you choose yes upgradation and get a new seat, your earlier seat will be gone forever. And fourth is always check the WBJEE websites for updates and instructions. So that's the full process of WBJEE e-Counselling 2025 in simple words. So stay calm and plan your choices wisely and don't miss deadlines. So these are all, and thank you for watching this video, and I wish all the WBJEE candidates all the best for their admissions. So I will see you in the next video.